If you love Zobo drink or you sell Zobo drink and you do not have a lot of time on your hands, this video is definitely a must watch for you because I finished making this Zobo in less than 10 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this dry Zobo powder. Now I have all of this ingredient with me. Zobo leaves, of course, that has been sorted, picked, all the dirt removed. I have other spices. This is cinnamon here, star anise, cloves, dried ginger, uda, and then black pepper. This is mint leaves that has been dehydrated, and I have lemongrass. So let's go ahead to make this super duper easy recipe. I'm going to be rinsing off the Zobo leaves so that all of the dust and the sand there would go off. I'm going to do this as fast as possible because I don't want all of the juice to go away. And this is my dehydrator from Beams Marketplace. A very short plug. Visit them on Instagram for any gadgets that you might need that will make your life easy. So I used a parchment paper so that the Zobo leaves do not fall off. You can see that the holes of the dehydrator is big. Now I'm going to also be dehydrating the lemongrass as well, apart from the Zobo leaves. And because they are leaves, it didn't take time to dehydrate at all. And this kind of dehydrator do not use so much electricity. So if you're on inverter or even using prepaid meter, if you're in Nigeria here, it works super duper fast. So that's it. I'm going to be dehydrating it at 50 degrees Celsius, and it didn't take so long before it dried up because they are leaves, so it didn't take so long at all. Now that they have been dehydrated, my mint leaves, lemongrass, and the Zobo leaves are already dried and dehydrated. One good thing about dehydrators is that it retains the nutrient of whatever you are dehydrating, and then it dries out the water. Now this grinder is also from Beams Marketplace. They are your surest plug for all of these kind of gadgets, you guys. If you want to be doing this kind of business, or you are doing any dry milling business, you make weight gain pap, you make anything that you need to dry, all this kind of business, you can reach out to Beams Marketplace on Instagram. I'm going to be putting their link to their page in the description box. So I added all of the spices. I even added pepper, so it's spicy. I added everything, and this grinder does the magic. That's also mint leaves that have been dehydrated before. It blends it out evenly within a few seconds. You don't need to put it on, power it for a long time. Just shake it, and voila, it gets the job done super duper fast. Now this is the results at the first trial within like a few seconds, and if I want to go with this is absolutely good enough, but I decided to go ahead to grind it one more time. And it's easy to use. That's why I like these gadgets. Very easy to use. If you're into spices production, you do pepper mix production, these grinders, they come in sizes, and Beams Marketplace Kitchen on Instagram have them in different sizes. Even with the dehydrators, you have them in plastic and the stainless one. Now this is the result of this our Zobo powder. You guys, if you're the type of person that do not have time at all on your hands, I highly recommend recreating this recipe. You just take a little drop, a little scoop, that's it, a little scoop, and then go ahead to add hot water. Your Zobo is ready. And if you want to start a business, this is also a very lucrative business. You just do this in a tea bag, add spices, add your unique touch, and you can even create different flavors. Yes, so you can decide to add cinnamon in some. There are a lot of spices. We are blessed with a lot of spices. Add different spices that you want, and you have your own signature. How cool is that? Now it is ready, and I took a few scoops into this glass jar. Just pour it into it, and then you have your sweetener. You can decide to use any sweetener. I'm using sugar as my sweetener in this video. You can use honey, you can use dates, you can use jaggery, you can use sugar as well. Then I added a little bit of hot water just to bring out the flavor of the zobo, and then I added my sweetener into the hot water, and I proceeded to add cold water because I didn't want to have a lot of hot water in it. So I added cold water, and then my zobo is ready. You guys, it's super duper fast. Imagine having this in your kitchen. And I added lemon. You can add anything, absolutely anything. I just added a few slices of lemon, and the taste was amazing. I kid you not. My people, I served it with some ice cubes, and it was so good. So let me know in the comment section if you would be trying out this recipe, and if you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Bye guys.